Grade 7, Chapter 6, Tinkercad for Arduino, Lesson 2. Hello everyone! In this lesson, you will explore the first contact with the platform Tinkercad in order to build simple Arduino circuits for STEM projects. Once you launch Tinkercad, click on the icon located on the top right of your screen. Then select New Design and click on Circuit. Examine the welcome screen of Tinkercad. From the window on the right, explore the different electronic components. Look at the Arduino board and the breadboard. The first manipulation that you are asked to do is to move the Arduino board on the stage. You can explore the USB connection to power the board and to download the program from the computer to the Arduino. Examine the 9-volt connector to power the Arduino board. Examine the different digital pins starting from pin 0 till pin 13. And the GND pin. GND stands for ground. The next step you are asked to do is to move an LED in order to connect it to the Arduino board. Examine the cathode, which is the shorter leg, and the anode, which is the longer leg. Now it's time to connect the cathode to the pin GND, and the anode to digital pin 9, as shown in your book on page 81. Now the circuit is built. It is time to click on the button Code. Look at the pre-built script, which includes 4 blocks. Delete them and place inside the forever loop the block Set Pin High and set the pin to 9. From the control category, move the wait block and set pin 9 to low, followed by another wait block. Click on Run to examine the simulation and see how the LED is blinking. Now it's your turn to open Tinkercad and to create the circuit in order to program it. At the end of this lesson, I will show you a real Arduino project in action, similar to the one you did in Tinkercad.